How to transfer Toncoin to Tonkeeper. So if you want to transfer Toncoin to Tonkeeper, Tonkeeper keeps your crypto secure and it will manage. So now let's say for example you're going to transfer it from this wallet of yours to another. Then what you need to do is just head over to the send button option where you will have this kind of recipient information. So you just need to simply enter the address or name of the recipient, and then you can add some comment, or you will have the QR code option on the right side. You can simply choose the QR code and you can scan the QR code and send the Toncoin to that person. But for example, if you're going to transfer from another device to this device of yours, then you can simply go with receive option. Once you tap on receive, you'll be able to have the QR code option, so you can simply give that QR code to others so that they can send the Toncoin to your Tonkeeper wallet. Or on the bottom, you will have the copy option. You can simply copy and send it to your friends, or you will have the share option. You can simply share in that way. So this is how you can transfer Toncoin to Tonkeeper. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.